there! How's it going? I was just looking around to see if I could find any inspiration in the things that are around me. A lot of time artists do this, and I was using some binoculars that I've made to help me focus on some of those things. Let me show you how I made them. Some of the materials you'll need for this project are paper rolls, colored paper, tape, glue, and scissors. Begin by taping the paper tubes together. Next, use colored paper to cover the tubes. Use some pattern paper to decorate. Be creative by adding details. We can find all kinds of inspiration in the things that are around us. Just have a look and see what inspires you. Ciao, ciao for now. Bye.